Hi everyone! Welcome to ATOMY Absolute Life. I'm Jacqueline, and today we'll be looking at how to use ATOMY's Evening Care 4-set. ATOMY's Evening Care 4-set gives you an amazing personal at-home spa experience for clear, radiant skin. Let's take a look at what's inside. ATOMY's Evening Care 4-set comes with deep cleanser, peeling gel, peel-off mask, and a foam cleanser. Notice how there's two cleansers. That's because ATOMY uses the Korean double cleansing method, which involves both an oil-based cleanser as well as a water-based cleanser. Cleansing is the first and most important step of any skincare routine. Nutrients can't be absorbed into our skin if our pores are blocked. So, let's go wash our face. Step 1. Deep cleanser. Apply the deep cleanser onto your dry face and gently massage in circular motions, moving upwards and outwards. This deep cleanser helps to dissolve not just makeup, but also any impurities that builds up from the pollution we're exposed to in our daily environment. Ginseng and ginkgo extracts hydrates and firms the skin, while carrot extracts retains elasticity and provides a healthy, glossy glow. Massaging promotes circulation and relaxes the skin for greater absorption of moisture and nutrients, making the skin appear moist and glossy. Pro tip: for a deeper cleanse, wet your hands and massage the face again before rinsing it off to emulsify the oil. You can see the cleanser turn slightly milky, which means the oil is emulsifying. Rinse off with warm water or wipe off with a tissue. You don't need to be too thorough here since we'll be washing our face again a second time. Step 2. Foam cleanser. This is the only step where you start with a wet face. Mix a pea-sized amount of foam cleanser with wet hands and work into a really rich lather. Apply the foam onto your wet face to cleanse, purify, and refresh your skin. Pro tip: make sure your hands and face are sufficiently wet in order to form the bubbles into a really good foam. That's the key to getting a good cleanse with this product. The rich lather removes sebum in the pores to help maintain clean and healthy skin. Mushroom and rice extracts provide a hydrated finish while nourishing your skin. This is one of my favorite cleansers because it doesn't leave my skin feeling dry or tight like most other cleansers. Rinse off with water and pat dry. Step 3. Peeling gel. Apply a generous amount of the peeling gel onto your clean, dry face, avoiding your eye and mouth area. Even out the product on your skin, but don't rub it in too much. Now let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes. Then massage your face in circular motions to gently exfoliate the dead skin cells. Willow bark extract allows for removal of skin waste during the massage without irritating the skin like many other exfoliants, which can be too abrasive and actually damage your skin. You can see the peeling components absorbing the dead skin cells. Exfoliation prepares the skin for better absorption of nutrients. Pro tip: for sensitive skin, use less frequently. For extra sensitive skin, avoid massaging and simply rinse off the gel after leaving it on for a couple minutes. Rinse well with warm water and pat dry, revealing smooth, soft skin. Now, based on your skin type or skin condition for the day, you'll need to include additional skincare products at this time prior to moving on to step 4. This could include toner, essence, serum, ampule, and lotion. Please see the link below for videos on how to use our other ATOMY skincare lines. Step 4. Peel-off mask. Apply an even layer of the peel-off mask onto your clean, dry face, once again avoiding the eye and mouth area. This mask helps to minimize pores, brightens, and firms the skin. You can use your bare hands to apply the mask. However, a facial spatula will help you to apply the mask more evenly. Pro tip: unlike some other products, this mask is safe to be worn overnight. However, if you do use it overnight, make sure you first add enough moisture and nutrition from your ATOMY skincare line. Once you're done applying the mask, wait 30 minutes or until completely dry. Now, peel off the mask from bottom to top to unveil beautifully renewed skin. Again, you always want to defy gravity whenever possible, so don't pull the mask off downwards. This is my favorite mask because every time I use it, it leaves my skin feeling and looking brand new. Pro tip: for extra benefits, mix in ATOMY's 100% pure spirulina with antioxidant properties, or ATOMY's Color Food Vitamin C for brightening effect into the mask.
I really love this set because when used properly, you can really see a difference immediately after each use. Plus, it's super affordable. I personally use the cleansers on a daily basis, and I typically try to do the entire facial about 1 to 2 times a week as part of my daily skincare routine. I hope this video helps you with your skincare needs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. That's my ATOMY life.